Today, I am going to be demonstrating how to hook up a Xbox One. A very, very, very complex thing to do. So, step one, you have to get the power cord. Power cord is right here, and you insert it into the HDMI power outlet, which is right here. That's step one. Now, step two, you get something which is called a HDMI cord. So you get, it's two sides to an HDMI cord. Plug this side, which goes into the TV. And you get this side, which goes right here into the HDMI slot. Now, step three, you press the power button, which when you press this button, it turns on. Now, step four, which is very different on a lot of different TVs. Oh shit, fire out. Damn, turn on the TV. And you go to the correct HDMI channel. In this case, it would be HDMI 3. And that, my friends, is how you hook up a video game console to the TV.